वहाँ दाखिल किया इमरजेंसी में। तो डॉक्टर M.A. आरिफ साहब ने सुबह चेक करके बताया कि इसके दिल में सुराख है। फिर उन्होंने इसका ईको टेस्ट कराने के लिए कहा गया। उसके बाद जब ये अस्पताल दाखिल थी, उसी दौरान इसका ईको टेस्ट कराया गया लियाकत नेशनल अस्पताल में। तो वहाँ बताया गया इसके दिल में कई सुराख हैं और छोटे भी सुराख हैं और एक चैम्बर छोटा है इसका दिल का।
कैसा लगा जब मालूम पड़ा आपकी बेटी के ये बीमारी है?
बहुत ज़्यादा दुख हुआ। कभी सोचा भी नहीं था कि ऐसा हो सकता है, यकीन ही नहीं आ रहा था। बस पूरा जिस्म में एकदम दुख हो गया था, बेकार सा, और बिल्कुल हिम्मत टूट गई थी। अल्लाह ताला ने आहिस्ता आहिस्ता ही हिम्मत और ताकत दी है। उस वक्त तो ऐसे लग रहा था कि जैसे सब कुछ ख़त्म हो गया है।
तो इधर की मेडिकल फैसिलिटी से आपको कोई रिलीफ नहीं हुई?
नहीं, रिलीफ हुई क्यों नहीं है, लेकिन इसका केस इतना कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है कि जिसका इलाज यहाँ मुमकिन नहीं था, इसलिए मैं इंडिया से रुजू करना पड़ा। वहाँ से पिछले 7-8 महीने क्रॉसवर्ड चल रही थी, अब जा रहे हैं ऑपरेशन के लिए।
इंडिया और पाकिस्तान में हमेशा एक दुश्मनी रही है, मगर आपके बच्ची का इलाज हिंदुस्तान में हो रहा है।
इंसानी हमदर्दी की बुनियाद पर इलाज हो रहा है।
India's and Pakistan's peace dividend has touched many lives, and for some it could offer a lifeline, like baby Fatma, who is playful and unaware of the risk she will face in the next coming days.
With prayers offered at the Sufi Mazar of Data Ganj Baksh Darbar, it's time now to head to the bus which will take the Ahmeds and their daughter across the border.
Baby Fatma's energy is almost inspiring, and despite being continuously hospitalized, she is still larger than life. It will be this bus that will take her across the border to India, where the hope of a healthy life may lie.
It's the Ahmed's first visit to India, and Delhi will be their first real stop here. I have been told by my colleague in Pakistan that baby Fatima is a bundle of energy, quite a handful. But this grueling 12-hour journey on the Lahore to Delhi bus is enough to take its toll on even the most energetic. But reaching Delhi means that the Ahmeds have completed half their journey. A journey that could give their 2.5-year-old daughter a new lease of life. A journey that represents the Dil ke Rishte, relationships of the heart that are being forged between the two neighbors. In this case, quite literally, ever since India and Pakistan decided to give peace another chance. सभी साथ हैं, आपको वहाँ ले चलते हैं एयरलाइन की टिकट के लिए।
हाँ, वो नुमाइंदा जो उनका आने वाला है, उन्होंने बताया था मुझे।
किनका आएगा? हाँ, ये है। कौन आए?
The only time a very confident Fatima looked a little bewildered was when the Ahmeds alighted at the Delhi gate where the Lahore bus stops. But an MEA officer was there almost immediately to handle the logistical difficulties for Fatima's family, new to the country and city. In a goodwill gesture, the government of India sponsors the trip of children like Fatima coming to India for treatment.
Okay.
This is the second child of the second lot of 20.
The plan is to halt overnight in Delhi in a hotel and then take the flight the next morning to Bangalore. Finally, in the comfort of the hotel lobby, baby Fatima is back to her bubbly self. No signs of the exhausting journey she's undertaken or just how unwell she is.
Balloon फट गया. किसने फाड़ दिया? नीनी करा रहे हो?
And she even wants to explore her surroundings.
ये आपको पता है कौन सी जगह ये? दिल्ली. कौन सी जगह? इंडिया. आ जाओ. So, you know, I mean, they keep coming. It's not like they come together.
No.
And these children are already identified.
Yeah. Actually, as and when they are identified, they send. The identification process is still going on. Only 2 of them identified so far, and then 2 on the pipeline.
While Fatima's father catches up with the MEA official on travel logistics, we try to bond further with her.
Swati Appi. Swati Appi. ऊपर चले? अच्छा, अभी आपको बाहर लेके चलेंगे? अभी लेके चलेंगे, बाहर लेके चलेंगे खाने के लिए.
Despite the exhaustion of the journey, the Ahmeds were keen to visit the Nizamuddin Dargah. At the Dargah, the priest says a special prayer for baby Fatima. The exhaustion of the long travel is beginning to tell on Fatima by now. As the night progresses, her cough starts getting worse. Her parents try to keep their anxiety down, knowing how vulnerable she is to infections. The morning after, and it's time to catch the flight to Bangalore. Baby Fatima, who has been made to wake up early, makes her displeasure known at being disturbed.
As the Ahmeds leave for their final destination, Bangalore, I know for this once the entire subcontinent will be united. Not a single dissenting voice in hoping, wishing and praying for this 2.5-year-old's life.
Let's take it from the top.
So Chidambaram, our editor survey says you're the best performing minister.
I accepted this job knowing that the Congress has a very limited mandate.
I think the one word that would go with our company and with the legacy very well is trust.
I'm going to die with my boots on. Nobody who's talking about retirement. Idiots retire. I'm sorry to say, idiots retire.
The big players do business here.
We've been able to resurrect the company, pay back everybody. That was a huge responsibility.
This is truly a great moment of satisfaction for all of us.
Describe to us your meeting with Bill Gates. When I started talking to him, he looked everywhere but at me.
For most people who go to school or even go to offices, most Mondays are black.
From the top, one more time.
First ever television interview, we're speaking to the generation next.
I can't say no, the mantle has passed on to us.
India's #1 business channel. NDTV. Profit. News you can use.
सानिया मिर्जा को पॉटरी नहीं आती, हमें भी नहीं आती, लेकिन दुनिया हमें जानती है सही क्वालिटी के लिए। क्लब HP
अच्छा लगता है, अच्छा लगता है।
Introducing Tata Midcap Fund.
In Bollywood,
I am averse to stars who are brats. I can't work with that. There is this guy they call Shaq on an MTV show. He walked up to his DVD, took out, believe it or not, Mission Kashmir.
What are you saying?
Mission Kashmir, this is the coolest action film I saw.
Bombay Talkies. Tonight at 10:30 on NDTV 24/7.
From Karachi to Lahore, from Lahore to Wagah, from Wagah to Delhi, and from Delhi all the way to Bangalore. Little Binish Fatima has travelled a long distance to reach this Bangalore hospital for her heart surgery. And now the Indian doctors here will try their best to give a fresh lease of life to this beautiful Pakistani child. The hospital, which is used to children coming from all over the subcontinent, has its procedures for admission of these children all streamlined, and the Ahmeds are quickly led into their room. In the hospital room, the mother told us how her child had no access to proper treatment back home in Pakistan and what it took to actually get to India.
इलाज तो खैर वो तो इलाज इस तरह का था, अब जैसे कि यहाँ पे इंशाल्लाह ऑपरेशन होगा तो उसके बाद सेहत, मुस्तकिल सेहत जो होती है वो तो टेम्परेरी इलाज होता था। 1-1.5 हफ्ते इन्फेक्शन ख़त्म हुआ, घर आई, फिर 1 हफ्ते बाद फिर बीमार, 15 दिन बाद फिर बीमार, बस यही। ये तो मैं इतना ज़्यादा न्यूज़ पढ़ती रहती हूँ, सुनता है कि भैया इंडिया में इतने कामयाब होते हैं, तो मेरे जहन में आया कि नहीं हम इंडिया में करवाएंगे, यहाँ पे नहीं ना। मैंने लेटर में यही कहा था कि मैं आना चाहती हूँ अपनी बच्ची के ऑपरेशन के लिए, और इसका केस इस टाइप का है कि पाकिस्तान में मुमकिन ही नहीं है। जो बच्चे वहाँ मौत और ज़िंदगी की कशमकश में तड़प रहे हैं, और माएँ हैं, ज़ाहिर है जिसके ऊपर गुजरती है वही इसको समझ सकता है।
First of all, we feel very sorry for the parents and the baby to have traveled such grueling journey, going through so many hassles at every level. See, you have to trace back the day the baby was born. When the baby is born, it brings so much of joy and happiness. The moment the baby turns blue, it becomes a nightmare. Especially babies who are born in family like this, who are not wealthy. So there are uncertainties, there are problem of cost, there are problem of availability of the infrastructure, going to a newer place, and then other problems associated with the international journey, especially between India and Pakistan. In Binish's heart, there is one large hole and several small holes. So when there are large holes and small holes here, pressure from the high pressure chamber goes to this chamber, and this in turn damages the lung. That is the main problem with the child. Child has already sustained fairly irreversible damage to the lungs.
ये इंडिकेटर